How do you market yourself? There is always social media. I have made a killing on social media. Like I'm sitting outside and people are walking in and saying, "Can I take a selfie with you?" I had never expected that 5 years ago. So use social media, use digital marketing to sell yourself. Talk about your expertise. Talk about your business. Talk about the job of a civil engineer. Talk about quality control. Talk about many other aspects that you can think which will benefit your consumer. This way, you are putting yourself out there as an expert, as an individual who knows what they're doing, and putting yourself in front of the camera and talking about it to the world. Putting yourself out there, letting others judge you for that brings out your authenticity. You will get trolled. Don't be disappointed. If you are going to be in front of the public is going to criticize you, the public is going to analyze you, but the public will also give you business.
True.
So you use both of this and you leverage it to your benefit. Either you can be an optimistic or a pessimistic. You decide whether the glass is half full or glass is half empty.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that. Earlier, you also mentioned that how you should put yourself up to social media and how you should create a brand of yourself on social media itself. It brings me to my next question, which is you, of course, started your journey back in 2014, especially on YouTube, on properties and showcasing properties. Well, of course, it was mainstream. So 2014, back then, there were not a lot of people who was doing that. What inspired you on taking that move, and how has the same transferred your career trajectory?
2014, I started YouTube in December.
Okay.
I posted some generic, I used to take pictures and I used to put in these online platforms where they would generate a video for me. And I used to post it on YouTube. I must have put half a dozen of them and then I stopped. Fast forward 6 years, 2020, COVID comes. No one is coming to see homes. We're stuck in their own house. Nothing is happening. So how do you take homes to someone else? Rather than the client coming to the house, now it's time to take the home to the client's house. So that's what inspired me to go to YouTube. And YouTube is pretty much the only platform where you can have a nice long format and explain in detail what the house is all about. I always keep on saying that every home has a story to tell. Every brick has a story to tell. There are memories in every eat and reti of the home. So how do you tell that? That's the only way you can do it is on YouTube. So that's where I started in May of 2020 during the middle of lockdown, where I used to tell people that please मेरे को घर देने दो, घर में आपका please showcase करता हूँ, बाद में बेच दूंगा उसको. So I used to go to the house and I used to literally beg people कि मैं करूँ. And then nobody really understood that, what is he even talking about? So I said, ठीक है, no problem. Out of 10, 9 rejections were there, but that one person used to tell me, I used to focus on that individual. Slowly by slowly, more people saw that the work I was doing and they said, yes, please, you also showcase my home. Then in 2021 of May, I decided to go I found out that YouTube is not really growing as fast as my expectations. So I thought, let me have a backup plan also, just in case. So that's when I went to Instagram. Thankfully, I didn't go to TikTok because TikTok was still live at that time. So I went to Instagram and for the first 3 months or 4 months, I used to randomly post videos, and then the Reels concept came. One of my videos, 170 square feet carpet area under construction building, where the developer was using it as a storage room. So it was hardly half of this, maybe 1/4 of this room size. I just flipped the camera around and I said, this property is worth 63 lakhs. Originally asking price is 69 lakhs, but because of the discount, you're getting it for 63 lakhs. That time, my videos would not cross 1,000 views. That crossed more than 100,000 views. And my phone started buzzing, my DM started happening, and I was like, there is something in this. And that was the first time where I turned the camera to my face. So I realized that added value, that added credibility to the person, that now they're actually seeing the person who's showcasing the property.